Hello everyone, so you'd like to change someone that is currently on the council. You'd like to maybe fire that person or hire someone new. That is pretty easy. All you have to do is to go in the council menu. You can find it here. You can also press F4 as it appears when you hover that. You click on it and these are the characters that are currently in the council, in my council. Maybe you would like to change someone, for example, this character over here, or this one, maybe this one. Let's see. I would like to, maybe let's add this character and click here to assign it. Or if you simply want to fire him, you just press here, fire. You will lose opinion, of course, and that is how you fire someone from the council. To hire him back, you simply click on there and you can hire someone. And that is it. That is how you fire and hire someone in the council. I hope you liked this video. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and see you next time.